Hickory Knob State Park is located in McCormick, South Carolina. That's about 2 hours west of Columbia, South Carolina, which is their capital. It sits right on the line with Georgia, right on the 71,000 acre Lake Thurmond, which is actually a reservoir because the Army Corps of Engineers dammed the Savannah River in the 1950s. And as you can see by Google Maps, it's about a 45-minute drive south of Hickory Knob State Park. This 1,091 acre state park is free to enter and has lots of outdoor activities for you to enjoy, like an 18-hole championship golf course, axe throwing, archery, skeet shooting, fishing, canoe kayaking and boating, swimming. It has 3 hiking and biking trails totaling about 12 miles. We like hiking as a family, so we did the Beaver Run Trail. It's a 2.5-mile trail that takes you along the lake. And we went December 30th in the winter, so that's why all the leaves are on the ground. And if you like these informative travel videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. This state park also has a lodge with a buffet style restaurant inside. It also has 70 lodge rooms. And if you get lodge room 402 like we did, we got that one by surprise. It's considered a suite, and we'll give you a quick room tour of it. And for our camping friends, they do have a campground right on the lake with about 44 campsites, full service campsites, and a comfort station with warm showers for tents and RVs. So make sure you check that out if you're interested in camping. Right from our lodge room is a short walk down to the lake shore, and we just really enjoyed combing the beaches of the lake, looking for seashells and clams.
I'm gonna clean them out.
You can clean them later.
Yeah, I'll clean them.
That is huge. Put your hand next to it, Daniel. Show how big it is. That's a big one.
We really enjoyed the state park. It really had a lot to offer, especially in those warmer months where you can get out on the lake more. So if you're ever in the McCormick, South Carolina area or across the state line in Georgia, make sure you visit Hickory Knob State Park. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, adventures are out there. Are you? Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.